Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Robert from Helton's Computer Repair. Today I'll be showing you how you can download and install AVG free antivirus protection. So to do this, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing to do is pretty much open up a browser. I'm using Chrome. You can choose whichever one you want to choose. And it's taking me to msn.com. I really don't care. I'm actually going to go to google.com. From that point, I'm just going to type in AVG, and pretty much the first thing should come to their site, avg.com. And this is what it's going to look like. Depending on your area, it might be a little different. This is in.us. And within there, you're going to go to, it's prompting me about cookies, press OK. From there, you're going to go to P, because it's a little clever. We're going to go to PC and then choose AVG antivirus free. If you accidentally somehow download the AVG Ultimate or that, it's going to cover up with all this additional third-party apps on there, and it's unnecessary for it. So all we're going to do is go to PC, AVG antivirus free, and select it. And from that point, you have options if you're using like an Android or Mac, but we're going on a Windows computer right now. Tells you more about it. I really don't go into depth on it. That's something that you can read. But you're going to go ahead and click the button where it says free download. And it tells you that your download should automatically come up. It did come up on here. If it didn't, you can click here for it. Depending if you don't have any pop-up blockers and that could be possible that's blocking it too. But for the rest, let's go ahead and just run this file that I've already downloaded. You might be prompted. If you want to run this file, you would have to press yes for this to proceed. And for the time being, I'm going to go ahead and just exit the browser because I don't need it anymore. Right now, AVG is pretty much getting ready to set up. There it is. And here it is, very normal right here. It tells you if you want to install the AVG secure browser. I'm actually going to uncheck that. That is usually sometimes a bother to me. And it asks also if you want AVG secure browser to be your default browser. You don't have to choose that if you don't want it either. And from that point, you can just pretty much press next. But I'm actually going to choose customize just to be sure if there's any third parties that's in that list. Let's go to customize. Everything tells you where it's going to be installed. Tells recommend protections. I'm actually going to leave as is and press install. And for the time being, on this right down corner, AVG is currently being installed, so let's do its work. AVG is almost done. Let's see when it's finally completed. It'll probably just close this link and probably pop up depending on here. Let's find out. And it tells you your AVG free is in process. Probably that currently first part was probably maybe downloading the file, but not really sure. We'll find out to be what happens. And it's continuing doing its work. And it seems that the link already came on the left side, and here it is. AVG antivirus free is there. It's going to go ahead and press continue. Mind sharing some data with this. You can press yes if you want to. I'm actually going to press no thanks. I don't want them to transfer data, anything, some information about it. That's up to you. And go ahead and run your first scan, and it's going to be like usual. It's going to come out. And there's the icon. I'm actually going to slide it on there, that way you can see it, that it's there. And it's going to scan if there's any threats, and it says it's clear. Let's see if it finds anything else on here. Depending, it probably doesn't have anything at all. This is pretty much what I'm showing right now is a virtual computer, so. While it's doing this work, let's see if we can maybe get to the regular menu. I'm actually going to go ahead and just stop the scan because I don't need it right now. But here is pretty much the AVG antivirus free that's installed. And you should be good. This pretty much protects your computer and web and email protections right here. If you ever decide to get into a better AVG antivirus protection for the paid versions, I would really recommend. It's always better than the current free one. It has additional features that will help you out. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.